In this video, we'll review the installation of GeoGripX Resin Bonded Surfacing. GeoGripX creates attractive textured surfaces that are ideal for streetscape or refurbishment projects. To start, lay out all the tools and materials: broom, shovel, masking tape, personal protection equipment, drill and paddle, and a 1/4-inch serrated squeegee. Mask the perimeters of the project. To ensure the correct coverage, mark out the area each mix will cover and stage the aggregate along the work area. The site should now be clean and dry. Prepare the mix area. Using a drill with a helical paddle, begin mixing the resin. Slowly mix the activator, part B, into the base, part A, and continue mixing for 2 to 3 minutes until they're completely homogeneously mixed, including the material on the sides and the bottom of the bucket. Once mixed, like all 2-part resins, GeoGripX will cure more rapidly if it's left in the container. So it's important to apply it to the surface quickly. Pour the resin out in rows throughout the work area. Don't drain empty containers on the surface, as this can create soft patches from the unmixed material that drains on the surface. Using a serrated squeegee, spread the resin to cover the work area. Coat the surfaces evenly in a pushing motion, always moving forward. Create a consistent film with no ponding or thin areas. Then allow a few minutes for the resin to self-level and scatter the aggregate onto the wet resin. Don't dump too much at once, as this can cause an uneven finish. Broadcast the aggregate gently and evenly until all the wet resin is fully covered. Continuously recheck previously covered areas to see if any of the resin has risen up to the surface, and if necessary, apply more aggregate. Avoid walking on the surface until fully cured, and remove tape immediately while the resin is still wet. A day joint can be created by applying plastic sheeting to create a clean aggregate edge. This can be removed after curing, and a new mix can be cut in. Curing time is temperature dependent and takes about 2 hours at 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Check the cure in an inconspicuous area to make sure the resin is hardened, and once cured, sweep off the excess aggregate. You can save the additional aggregate for future use. Clean all tools immediately with clear, odorless mineral spirits. Ongoing maintenance includes sweeping and light pressure washing. And here you see the final product, GeoGripX.